to my animal family. My name's Kim. This is my mommy.
Are you ready to go on a game drive with us?
Yes. That's great. Remember your tickets. Please stay inside the car.
And most important, always respect the animals.
Always take good care of your animals.
Yes. Let's be very quiet to see if we can find some animals. Do you see something? Look, there.
Wow! Look!
Do you know this African animal?
A giraffe! I love them.
Let's learn about them. Giraffes are social animals, and the groups they live in are called towers.
Tower of giraffes.
A tower of giraffe usually have mothers, called cows, and babies, called calves. The boy giraffes are called bulls, and they usually stay in the group for about 2 years, and then go off with other bulls or roam alone until they find new families. These animals are called herbivores. That means they eat plants.
Their long neck can reach for the leaves to eat.
They love the acacia tree. It is really thorny, but their mouths help them to strip the leaves and buds and navigate around the thorns. Their tongues are about 50 centimeters long.
It's purple.
It is a purple-black color to protect it from the sun. It was found that giraffes can smell the difference between good plants to eat and poisonous ones.
It's reaching the water.
They don't drink much water because they get enough water from their food. But when they do, they have to stretch their legs a lot so they can reach down and drink.
1, 2 more giraffes.
Giraffe bulls fight with their necks so they can get new families. This is called necking, and they can really hurt each other with their horns called ossicones. Some males have 3 or even 5 ossicones. A giraffe bull can grow up to 5.5 meters tall. That's as tall as 3 men. In fact, the babies are about 1.8 meters tall, and that's as tall as a man. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, and because of this, they have the biggest heart of all the animals. They are the 4th heaviest land animals. Males weigh up to 1,930 kilograms, which is about 4,250 pounds, and females up to 1,180 kilograms, which is about 2,600 pounds.
Wow. Mommy and the baby.
Giraffes used to be called camel leopards because people thought they looked like a mix between a camel and a leopard. But actually they are mostly related to okapi. Giraffes can outrun most horses. It looks like they gallop, but with their long legs they can reach up to 60 kilometers per hour, which is about 37 miles per hour.
Meow.
This isn't faster than a lion, but at least they can see a lion coming from far away with their long necks and good eyesight. There's a group in Namibia called the Giraffe Conservation Foundation. They take care of and study giraffes. They found that there are 4 species of giraffes in Africa, and 2 of them have subspecies. Look, you can see the different shape patterns and colors.
Yes. I love that one.
If you go on the Giraffe Conservation Foundation website, you can even adopt a giraffe for a year. It will still stay in the wild, but you will help to protect them. So ask Mommy and Daddy to show you the website and help save the giraffes. And remember, 21st of June is World Giraffe Day. This is when we celebrate these amazing animals all over the world.
It's getting dark. Time to go home.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I hope you enjoyed today's game drive. Remember to subscribe to see more animals with us.